to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the essential topics you need to learn in order to become a successful trader. Whether you are just starting out or looking to improve your trading skills, this video will guide you through the most important topics that you should be focusing on. Section 8: Understanding the markets. The first step in becoming a successful trader is understanding the markets. This involves learning about the different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, currencies, and commodities. You will need to understand how these markets operate, what drives their movements, and how to analyze the data and news. Some of the most important topics to cover in this area include fundamental analysis. This involves analyzing the financial and economic data that affects the market, such as earnings reports, GDP growth, and interest rates. Technical analysis. This involves studying charts and using indicators to identify trends and patterns in the market. Market psychology. This involves understanding how human emotions and behaviors influence market movements and how to avoid common biases and errors. Section 2: Risk management. Another essential topic for successful trading is risk management. This involves understanding how to manage your capital and protect your portfolio from losses. Some of the key topics to cover in this area include position sizing. This involves determining how much money to risk on each trade based on your overall portfolio and risk tolerance. Stop losses. This involves setting limits on your losses in order to minimize your exposure to risk. Portfolio diversification. This involves spreading your investments across different asset classes and markets in order to reduce the impact of any one loss. Section 10: Trading strategies. The final area to focus on when learning to become a successful trader is trading strategies. This involves developing a suite of rules and techniques for identifying and executing profitable trades. Some of the key topics to cover in this area include trading systems. This involves developing a suite of rules for identifying entry and exit points based on your analysis of the markets. Algorithmic trading. This involves using computer programs and software to automate your trading based on predetermined rules and algorithms. Backtesting. This involves testing your trading strategies using historical data in order to evaluate their effectiveness and refine your approach. You can get knowledge from basic to advanced level of stock market. With the help of these courses, you can understand about stock market and you can get trading skills. Now we know about some basic types of stock market courses. एक फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस कोर्स. फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस कोर्स provides education about the basic concepts of stock market and financial statements. This company's financial statements, balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement is studied. This course helps you to understand the health and profitability of your company. Though technical analysis course. In technical analysis course, stock market charts, patterns, and technical indicators are taught. Is of course because of this you can understand stock price trends and make trading decisions based on price movements. 10. Options trading course. In options trading course you are taught about options. Options trading is a very popular and risk management tool which helps in diversifying your trading portfolio. With the help of this course you can understand the basics of options trading and advanced strategies. 4. Derivatives trading course. In derivatives trading course you are taught about futures and options. With the help of this course, you can understand the concepts, strategies and risks of futures and options trading. 4. Algorithmic trading course. In algorithmic trading course, you are taught to develop computer programs for trading. With this of course you can automate your trading strategies and improve your trading performance. Conclusion. So there you have it, the essential topics to learn if you want to become successful trader. By mastering these areas, you will be well equipped to navigate the complex world of trading and make informed decisions about your investments. Remember, becoming a successful trader takes time and practice, but with dedication and persistence, you can achieve your goals. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content.